Hi kids, the chapter which we are going to discuss today is The Little Fig Tree, which is taken from the book Marigold, English, Class 4, NCERT syllabus. And this is Prithvi Vinod who is going to present you this video. The Little Fig Tree. Shetty the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fig tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. Soon the rain stopped. Shetty was happy that he did not get wet. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician. The sad fig tree had leaves like needles and no birds ever made their nests on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fig tree, I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. When the little fig tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. I wish I had glass leaves instead. Men do not steal glass leaves. The next day, its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am, it said. At night, the wind blew. All the glass leaves broke. Oh dear, said the fig tree. I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats do not eat them. No man can steal them. The wind will do them no harm. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needle back again. Oh, I was never so happy, said the little fig tree. What are the new words given here? Pretty, needles, leaves, gold, and stool. Let us see the meaning for the new words. Pretty, pleasing to the eye. Needles, a small thin object used for sewing. Leaves, part of a plant or trees, usually green in color. Gold, a yellow precious metal. Stole, take something from someone. Make sentences of your own. Pretty, Smita is a pretty girl. Needles, she pricked her thumb with a needle. Leaves, I found pale green leaves in the garden. Gold, the box is full of gold coins. Stole, she stole a lot of money from the bag. Reading is fun. Pick the correct answer. The pretty little fig tree was happy with gold leaves, but a goat came along and ate them. All the leaves get wet in rain. A man stole them. The answer is a man stole them. The fig tree was sad. Why it was sad? Because it had needle-like leaves. The fig tree was not happy with the gold leaves because a man stole the gold leaf. Word building. By changing the circle word to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. One has been done for you. I carry a little bag to school every day. I carry a heavy bag to school every day. Reena won the race. Reena lost the race. I love eating vegetables. I hate eating vegetables. This glass of milk is full. This glass of milk is empty. The old man is wise. The old man is foolish. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding un or im. Happy, unhappy, polite, impolite, seen, unseen, proper, improper, lucky, unlucky, possible, impossible, important, unimportant, perfect, imperfect, healthy, unhealthy, safe, unsafe, patient, impatient, pure, impure. Rita loved her dog Shero. Every day, Shero would go out of the house and come back itself. But one day, he did not come home. Rita looked everywhere for him. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Shero was lost. He was nowhere to be found. Rita was crying when she reached home. She got into her bed. All of a sudden, something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Rita was very happy. Yes, it was the dog Shero. Give the opposites of the words in blue. Loud, hated, go out, come in, come, go, everywhere, nowhere, down, up, lost, found, nowhere, everywhere, crying, laughing, happy, sad. Let's write. Rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. Where all we should use capital letters? 1. The start of the sentence. One Saturday afternoon, Amarjit, name of a people, and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. There they saw ducks, water, and their friends Raj. So, which all things should be in capital letter? 1. Saturday, Amarjit, Rani, India Gate, there, and Raj. Oh dear, said the fig tree. I like my old needle-like leaves best for goats, don't eat them, and no man could steal them. Which all things should be in capital letter? O should be in capital letter, and I should be in capital letter. That's it. And after that, you should punctuate according to this. Let's talk. Look at the picture below. In the yellow box, there are 8 things. 6 of them you can see in the picture. The other 2 you cannot see. Write down the 4 things that you can see. In this picture, which are the 6 things you can see? Ducks you can see, mat you can see, girl, boy, tree and flowers. Which are the 2 things missing? Dog and fountain. Write the name of other 4 things which you can see. Ball, banana, water and tiffin box. Look at the picture again. Describe the picture. Sarav and Sudha went for a picnic. They sat before a beautiful lake where ducks are swimming. There were many trees surrounding the lake. Both of them played with the ball and enjoyed eating fruits and food. Fun time. Ajit loved flowers. He always wanted to have a garden for himself. Mohan, his friend, gave him an idea. He said, "Why, we can have a garden in a dish." Haha, Ajit laughed. A garden in a dish? Yes, dish gardens are tiny gardens planted in a shallow dish. We must first put sand, manure and pebbles in a dish. Plant very tiny plants in it and place the dish on the windowsill. Glass break easily when it is dropped. Do you think a mud flower pot, a glass spoon, a wooden table, a plastic cup, books or your plastic water bottle can break easily? Circle the things that can. Which all things break easily? Flower pot, cup. Which of the following actions would make others happy or unhappy? Here are the list of actions. Segregate which all actions that make people happy and actions that make people unhappy. What all actions make people happy? Respecting elders, being polite, playing with friends, visiting a sick friend, caring for pets, and being honest. Which all actions that make people unhappy? Not saying thank you, not sharing, watching television all day, telling lies, being greedy, getting angry easily. Let's listen, read and write. There was a thick jungle with beautiful green trees and birds. Koel was singing happily. Suddenly, she heard someone crying. It was her friend, the peacock. She flew to him and asked, "Why are you crying?" "I hate myself. I have such ugly feet." Something make you feel happy. Something make you feel sad. Write a poem on the picture. Kids, you try to write a poem on this picture. Let's make a word tree. This is how you will do it. Take a long green sheet of paper or a newspaper. Roll it like this. Hold the roll of the paper firmly in one hand and cut 4 slits from the top to halfway down the roller. Still holding the roll of paper firmly, bend back the 4 sections of the cut paper. Pull it from the center. Do this by pulling up the cut section slowly and carefully from the center of the roller. Write words related to leaves on the trees and make word tree. Now make sentences with these words. You kids, you also try this at your home. Thank you kids.